Shattuck burying his big ass bone.
It's already buried. Like, what is he trying to do?
I think we're all laughed out. That was a good exercise, though.
Isn't he getting like wood burn on his face right now?
Yeah, it's okay. It's good now.
It's buried. I can't see it. No. Well, I can't see it.
You guys have been going at this for quite some time now.
Very good, kid. Very good. It's hidden. Oh, where's he going with it? What is he trying to do? Like, I want to know what he's trying to do.
He's just trying to bury it.
But if you know it's buried, like, it was buried.
Sometimes I think he gets, like, nervous, like, is it still there or not? And then he goes to check if it's still there, and then he sees, okay, it's still there, and then he buries it again. Then he gets nervous each time.
Yeah, maybe.
Okay, all done. All done. Good boy.
He's pushing it into your closet.
No. Alright, all good. You got the little teddy bear.